Here we are at the wharf. Boats just arriving. Just arrived at the wharf, waiting for a boat from Savaii to come. Probably leaves here at 12 o'clock. It's probably almost 10:30 now, so a bit of a wait. Yeah, it took us quite a while to get here, but it should be alright. Over there on my left is pretty much a Samoan bus, as you can see. Probably wooden seats in there. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. And here's where everybody waits, waiting for the boat. He's got luggage here. Grandma just waiting. This is just outside the wharf. We were waiting for the boat from Savaii to come in. So this building where everybody waits, I guess. Just gonna go walk around, see what's around here. Just penning around the wharf area here. Just down there is where the shops are located. This is what they sell in a typical Samoan shop. You can see all the foods in there. Fanta and glass bottles and Sprites and glass bottles in there. Pretty much got everything, I guess. Shampoos to biscuits, chips and everything. You can see the prices up here. Fish and chips, chicken and chips. Other Samoan shop. Over here, we've got some beautiful palm trees. Let's see. It's just outside the wharf where I'm filming. Samoan bus there. Dropping off passengers in it. Again. Got off the boat from Upolu. Everybody trying to get their passengers inside their buses and it. You can see. People just come back from Savaii, probably going back to the main island. You can see how packed their buses are. Everybody's sitting on top of each other. Pretty crowded in there. Here we are, just located in the waiting area, just waiting for our ship for about half an hour or so. There's still there.
Grandma?